Welcome everybody to this wonderful tutorial. Today I'll be showing you this Makossa groove you just watched. Wow! So this groove can be used in praise songs like you just heard. Who is greater than Jehovah Lord Divine? There is no one greater than Jehovah Lord Divine. It's a Makossa groove. So I'll be doing it in the key of C sharp. Now I splitted the keyboard. I'm playing bass on my left and I'm playing the groove on my right hand. You can also hear the harmony on my right hand. That's why the MIDI app is blinking like this. When you hit one note, it blinks like this. So in your keyboard you can see the harmony button. There's a harmony button. Click on that harmony button or press on the harmony button. Set the harmony type to echo. Echo 1/8. Yes, that's the best for Makossa sounds like this. So I'm using the 60s E piano and a dual voice of a jazz guitar. Then I just tune the sound a little bit with this my knobs here. So this is my bass. So I splitted the keyboard. You could see that on my main keyboard display, on my main keyboard, this is where the split starts from the F. This F here, F2. You see it jumped on the display, it jumped to the upper it skipped some notes. So you just try to understand it. So quickly I will show you. There are two grooves I played and I'm going to give you the two grooves straight up. Now before I continue, I created that beat. You can download the beat from the link below. I'll put the link to download the beat so that you can use it to practice. Also, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button now. I'll be waiting. All right, thank you for subscribing. So let's go to business. The left hand, it's simple. This is I'm doing in C sharp. This is my C sharp. So what the left hand is doing is simply, for the first groove, you start with the 1, then you go to the upper octave, that's it. So the 1 3 1 4 2 5, then you come down 5 1 1 1 1 1. So that's what you repeat on your left hand. Simple. For the right hand, this is what you play. This is my 1. This is my 1. So for now, I'll put off the harmony so that the keyboard will not be blinking there. Let me see. Okay, yeah. So this is what you play on your right. So let me break that down. They start with the 1 1 1 2 3, then 5 5 6 5, then you jump to the upper 4 4 3, then 5 1 2 3, or you can just say 1 1 2 3 again. Then you repeat. So 1 2 3 5 3 1 1 2 3. So that's what you repeat. That's what you play continuously. So let me play it slowly, the left and right hands together. So sorry. Okay, it's kind of a little bit difficult playing it slowly. That's for the first groove. Now you may find this difficult to play at first, but with continuous practice, first learn the bass line on the left hand, then learn the groove on the right hand. Understand it, know it very well before you add the two hands. Let me just see if I can give you a quick way you can use in getting this bass line and the right hand together. So for the first note, we are starting on the one on the left and one on the right, like this. So before you hit the 2, 3, once you hit the 2, 3, you play the upper one. Then your left hand comes down to the 3 here. So you see? So the one, this upper one and the 3 on my right hand, they are going together. So that's the first step you should learn. Next step. So that's the next step you should learn. So once you complete the right hand, when you get to the G sharp or the 5, your left hand hits the 1 again and then comes down to the 4. So let's add the 2 together, the first step and the second step. Then the next part, remember? So let me play that. So once you get to once you play, before you get to the 3, your left hand plays the 2, 5. You see? Sorry. Then so when you complete the right hand, then your left hand plays. So let me play everything, all the steps together. That's like 4 steps. So before you complete you are already playing I don't know how else I'm going to break it down, but just try and understand it. So when you are still here, 1, 2, 3, do, that's 3 times. You are starting afresh, this right hand. Then the process continues again. So let's go to the next groove. It sounds like this. For the right hand, so you are starting with the 1. This is the 1, 1, 3, 6, then 4, 5, then 3. So 3, 5, 7, 6, 5, then 3, 6, 4, 5. Then you continue like that. Then the bass line changes. So the bass line is so So for the first step, it's on his own. The right hand playing the 1 is on his own. Then when you get to this part, so that's what when you play the left hand, the 2 together. Then so left hand and the right hand, 2 together, 5 together, but you stay on the 5 on the left hand. Then the right hand plays 7, 6, 5. So then the same thing. then you complete it. So then you can just quick come back to the so that's it for this wonderful tutorial, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe, like, drop your comments, and hit me up on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.